Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Assistant coach Omar Hawes has lauded the strategy of head coach Michael Clark following Calabar's 6th straight and 27th overall title as the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships came to a thrilling end at the National Stadium on Saturday. Jordan Fort reports.
The last time the boys' champs title went down to the 4x400 meters, Calabar lost out to Woolmer's boys back in 2010. The equation heading into the final event at the 2017 championships meant Calabar had to win the 4x4 and hope Kingston College finished worse than third.
Christopher Taylor for Calabar. KC down in fifth. It's Calabar ahead of St. Elizabeth Technical and St. Jago. 6 straight for 61. The Mortimer Geddes Trophy is back at Red Hills Road. Doubted and written off. But with a lion's roar, they are champions again.
The victory was the 6th straight for the Red Hills Road-based school and the 27th overall.
Well, the team realized I could have won the championships pretty early, but we had to make as many sure points count and as minimal mistakes as possible. We tried that, it worked, but at the end of the day, it came down to 3 points where KC rallied back, and trust me, it was going to be a dogfight against the Lions, and they did fight. So hats off to KC. It was a very good championships, and at this point, we're just looking to go 7 and better if possible.
Entering the final day, Calabar trailed by 7 points and produced a slew of big-time performances, including a meet record performance by Class 1 sprint hurdler Dejo Russell.
People can speculate things all they want, but I know what I know. So I came out in this race, wasn't prepared for any record or anything. I missed out a couple of days of training, but God is good, you know, so I have to give it to him all.
World Youth Champion Christopher Taylor had given Calabar an excellent start, leading the Red Hills Road-based team to a 1-2 finish in the Class 1 boys 400 meters final.
By his teammate, Christopher Taylor gets by Carpenter now, takes gold. It's 1-2 for Calabar.
Kingston College made the title race interesting with a 1-2 of their own in the 5,000 meters open, led by Ugandan Ari Rogers.
Ari Rogers dances to the Kingston College support. The time doesn't matter. The victory and 9 points still. Ari Rogers salutes the Kingston College support.
But when the North Street-based team crossed the line 5th in the My Relay, it meant Calabar's Lions could hoist the Mortimer Geddes Trophy for the 6th year running. Calabar ended the championships with 317 points to Kingston College's 314, with Jamaica College third with 203. St. Jago 157 and St. Elizabeth Technical with 114.5 rounded out the top 5. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, Edwin Allen secured their 4th straight girls crown and 5th overall with another convincing victory. Ricardo Chambers has that report.
Edwin Allen were massive favourites going in and they won it convincingly. The performance though was far from perfect, but Edwin Allen's depth and quality proved the difference. St. Jago had taken the lead onto the sprint hurdles on the final day, but through the middle distances, Edwin went clear. Rashana Dwyer in Class 3 completed the 1500-800 double, winning the latter in 2 minutes 12.73 seconds. Seymour Donald did the same in Class 2, clocking 2 minutes 08.71 seconds, just outside the record of a 2 minutes 07.74 and preserving her unbeaten tag at champs. But the most outstanding performance came in the Class 2 girls at 200 meters.
Sent away cleanly this time. Kevona Davis doesn't go out super quickly. Good start on the outside for Clayton of Idell. Davis is into her running now and sweeps off the curb. It's Kevona Davis. Joel Reed and Sashika Steele come forward on her inside. Kevona Davis though is in front. Kevona Davis is away. Kevona Davis wins the 200 meters for Class 3 girls 23.07. Alicia McLaughlin could be off the box. She looks to the heavens. Has someone finally done it since 2001? That outstanding record has been around. And finally.
No, it was not easy because I was not in lane 4, but I was one of the favorites to win that race. So I was very disappointed.
And how were you able to pick yourself up?
Well, because of my coach and my teammates and my mother, and most of all God that gave me the strength to come out here today and did my best.
So in the final analysis, it's Edwin Allen again, finishing with 316.5 points, ahead of Idel 265, St. Jago 246, Homewood Technical 243, with Veer Technical 5th on 126.5 points.
It seems challenging in the early days, you know, based on the fact that we had a few mishaps here and there, but in the end, you know, it turned out very easy, and I had no reservation that we would have defended our title.
The Blue of Edwin Allen reigns supreme again, 4 straight and 5 overall, making them the 3rd winningest team in girls' champs history.